So, hello fellow banknote and coin collectors. Today is the day that I got you some new items. So, I have another one here. Can't show you my address because then you'll come and take everything from me. But see, these are nice beautiful stamps. And I got another package with some more beautiful stamps. This one has native Australian animals. Has a what they call a blue-tongued lizard, but it's actually a skink. And here we have a galah. We have lots of galahs where I live. They're just everywhere. And they're really a nice bird. They actually look better than that in person. And you can see the lizard has a blue tongue, or the skink has a blue tongue. So, the first items that I got yesterday are these Dutch banknotes. So, I've got one issued in the Netherlands by itself, the 18th of May 1945. And the thing is that why the Netherlands didn't actually have high amounts of inflation after the Second World War, because the Germans actually printed a lot of banknotes, was that they introduced new banknotes pretty much a few weeks after liberation, and they only allowed a certain amount to be exchanged, and whatever was not exchanged was made non-legal tender, because there was war profiteering as well, and it's just the reigning hyperinflation. So that's why the value before they introduced the euro is about 1.3 gulden equals $1 Australian. So that is why. So this banknote at the time would have had equivalent value now. I have no idea, but its exchange rate's worth about $2 Australian. And then I have some banknotes from the Dutch East Indies, or Indonesia. And these were issued after the Second World War as well. And I printed the American Banknote Company in the United States. So they're a nice issue. So let's see what else I have. I'll make another video on those banknotes later, but I'm trying to get more. I need the 2.5, and I think it goes up to 500 gulden. So I have some more stuff here. Oh, looks like they might be coins. And ooh, those stamps are really nice. I'll keep those stamps. See, if you collect coins and banknotes, a lot of people actually also collect stamps. I do have some, but I don't really actively collect them. I collect fossils, if you've seen my video on fossils. So here you go. This is a good one. This is actually a cement mark coin folder. So here we have a cement mark coin folder. I've actually made another video on it. So these ones you can still get for about $15. This is quite a nice coin. This is probably my favourite $2 coin actually, because it's nice and blue and red. And that's 2018 issue. And where's the cement mark? It is up there. Cement marks there. So that's an awesome coin. That one I like to actually keep. If I've got extra, I'll probably sell it. Maybe give away 5,000 sub giveaway. Not too sure. And these ones are really nicely packed. So that's how you need to pack stuff. Oh, I just got these last week. So fossil fish. I thought this would be coins. Something new. So this is Nitia. So this is a Green River formation. These are the cheapest fish you'll actually get. And one of these is going to a friend in Hong Kong. Oh, so fossils. Awesome. Anyway, you should also pack fossils like that. But yeah, let me know down below if you actually collect fossils, because I reckon fossils are awesome. So let's have a look at the second one. These are all pretty much the same. Oh, this one's a got a little bit darker, so I reckon it would have been eroded a bit. Let's try and get closer. Maybe I'll turn the light on, maybe that will make it a lot better. Ah, yeah, that's better. You can see this one's upside down. So this would have been the vertebrae, this would have been the abdomen. And if you look on the side, you see all these colorations, that's organic matter. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, can I focus? Yeah, I reckon if you split these, you'll probably find more fossils in here. So that's probably a fossil there. But Green River fossils are quite common because they are. It was a large lake or a series of 3 lakes, and I won't put them on there because. And I think they're about, what does it say? 50 million years. Yep, Eocene. Is that the Eocene or Miocene? Yeah, Eocene. Miocene's only about 25 million. So I think 5 million. And here's another one. Beautiful. You can see that's been out, probably in erosional position for a while. You can see this is the eye, that's the mouth, vertebrae there, you have the caudal fins there, there's a tail. Beautiful. And if you look on the back, see how there's a discoloration? This is has erosion happened to it, so it has chemical changes in the sediment type, and it's flaking off as well. So if that continues to flake off, you can probably uncover more fossils. And these usually you get 2 sides as well, because you're essentially ripping the fish in half. So it's fossils. So banknotes, coins. Let's zoom out. Banknotes, coins, and fossils. They're the 3 things I collect. This one's probably my actual favourite passion because I just love evolutionary biology. It's just awesome. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. And please have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Thank you. Bye-bye.